Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this lecture we will discuss how to create lookup with dynamic forms with flow. Okay. So to do this, please I will go to setup object, and when I click to setup in the quick find box, select flow, search flow, and click on this flow. Click new flow and start from scratch. Click next and click create. Okay. So dynamic form, it means that when you click on the screen flow, here's the field section. Just click on this, and in the record variable, here the resource, new resource variable. Just click on this new resource. API name will be, let's say, where opportunity. Okay, record, and which object you want to retrieve all the fields. Let's say opportunity. Okay, in the opportunity object, I want to retrieve all the fields. Okay, when I search the select the opportunity object, click done, and see here all the required fields are to be populated, and fields which is on the opportunity section, fields and relationship, is already came. Account ID, campaign ID, contact ID, like this. Okay, and I want the account ID like this. Here's a lookup component. See, opportunity ID, account ID. In this lookup, ये सारी चीजें आ गई. No, yes, okay. This is how you can uh, create a dynamic lookup, dynamic forms lookup. Okay, lookup, dynamic forms. Okay, lookup dynamic form. Just click on this. Just save this. Okay, let's check whether it's working fine or not. Lookup. Okay, just check this. Okay, let's run this, whether it's working fine or not. See, account name. When I click on this, all the accounts are coming. Okay, let's go and search some account so that it will be Salesforce. Okay, let's go and search. See, Salesforce. So all the accounts are coming. I want that uh, filtered account, dynamic filtered, which is worked at. Okay, so to do this, go to the object manager, search opportunity, click opportunity, and click field and relationship. After this, I have an account, account name, that is account ID. Just click on this and see lookup filter. Just click on add it. After this, add a filter option. See, show filter. Select, click on this, and add account name. Start with value A. So the account which is starting with A will be populated. Otherwise, this which start by S, which start from P, are not be populated. Let's run and check this whether it's working fine or not. Refresh this once. Okay, just cross this. Refresh this page once again, and let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay. So when I click on run, see, only Abhishek is coming. Let's search something around this Burlington Textile Corporation of India, whether it's working fine or not. Just select. See, here its account is not coming. Okay, search another like Jenny Point. Okay, copy it, and when I select this, see, no prerequisite, and we will select which is starting from A, like which is starting from a. Okay, just save this Ashu as a. Just select Ashu SS. Okay, remove this. See, this is small letter. It's a case sensitive. When you change the name as a capital A, then it will be working fine. Okay, just select save this and check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, see, it will be work fine. Okay, this is how you can create a lookup with the dynamic forms. Okay, so whatever आपके पास जो भी आपने फील्ड रिलेशनशिप में रिक्वायर्ड कर रखा है या फिर फिल्टर्ड लगा रखा है, एनीथिंग कुछ भी आपने कर रखा है, वो सारा चीज़ें आपका पॉपुलेट हो जाएगा जब आप डायनेमिक फॉर्म आपने यूज़ कर रखा होगा ये स्क्रीन फ्लो में। जो मैंने डायनेमिक फॉर्म लुक यूज़ कर रखा है वो सारी चीज़ें पॉपुलेट हो। आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ फील्ड्स पे जाना है एंड उस फील्ड्स पे जाके वेयर अपॉर्चुनिटी खोलना और उसकी जितनी भी रिक्वायर्ड जितनी भी फील्ड है वो सारी पॉपुलेट हो। बस आपको ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना है, वो सारी चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिक सीधे आ गई। ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सी है, फील्ड लेवल क्या है, फील्ड नेम क्या है, फील्ड नेम क्या है, डेटा टाइप रिक्वायर्ड है कि नहीं। अगर इसको रिक्वायर्ड करना है आपको, सपोज करो हमें अकाउंट आईडी को रिक्वायर्ड करना है, अभी तो आपकी अकाउंट आईडी रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है। सी, ये रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है ना। रिक्वायर्ड इक्वल टू, देखो रिक्वायर्ड इक्वल टू नो रखा है। तो ठीक है, मैं इसको रिक्वायर्ड करने के लिए क्या करूँगा, जस्ट एडिट दिस एंड see required validities. Okay, go to page layout, opportunity, and account id, where it is, account name, say required. Okay, select, click save. Okay, just search, refresh this page once again so that you can able to see whether it's required or not. Okay, click on this, click edit. So client ID. Okay, this, give me account name, account. Okay, just okay. Okay, no problem. Just open any opportunity and make it required as a dynamic form. Just click on edit page. And click details tab. Okay, upgrade it. Okay, opportunity layout up, finish. Okay, after upgrading, account name, mark field as required. Okay, this is required. Okay, okay, just save it, activate is, assign as or desktop or phone, click next, click save. Okay, save. Okay, just go back and check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, let's refresh it. So take me to object manager and I think account name, say record a user, enter Select field level security. I open the field level security. Cancel it. View field accessibility and account name. Go to system administrator and see opportunity layout, system read only, required. Okay, it is required, but why it's not showing? I think there's some mistake over there. I need to refresh once again. So this is how you can basically create a dynamic lookup for that. Okay, I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future update. Thank you guys.